Today we're just going to be looking at making a badass squirrel like this, so if you're up for the challenge, stay tuned. So first of all, you need to get your graphics, and I'll put the links to those in the description. Next, open all your images in Photoshop. Now, like I did with the helmet, you can remove the background, flatten the image, copy the selection, and then Ctrl Z to go back a step, and then go to the squirrel layer and paste the helmet there. Once you've positioned your helmet or hat, use the magic eraser background tool. Position your gun correctly and then make a selection of the arm and paste that into a new layer. The next option once you've selected the arm is to choose Edit and Puppet Warp. Now if you're having problems selecting this option, it might be because the outside border of your image is selected as well, like it was for me. So just select Inverse and that will highlight only the arm. Once you select the Edit and then Puppet tool and the mesh appears, then that means it's working, so you can select the points where you want the rotation to happen. Then you can blur the edges to create a smoothing effect. Now just tidy up with the eraser tool, or if you want to be specialised, use the mask tool. And there you have it, a fully combat ready, army equipped squirrel. Hope you like this tutorial. Thanks again for watching, and please remember to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.